for Insembi Air Coso ever social media. Now, say I have done very well to update you guys. Say as of you say Vicky Zuga, the software, and I say one on Vicky Zuga a year we are prophecy Biba Bontia, Yehu the aircon. Now, I'm never to us to subscribe and click the notification bell no, and no any doubt screen so see we understand latest news via bar one sir. It's for quickly young concept so. Now, say in some accosoniano, if you are a snigger, waba bonting, I will reply. If you will be named the air coso, member was sending me no reply if you are a snigger, what they are banning so. Member, move the air co. Now, so far a friend of Pastor Elisha, Pastor Elisha Prince, and Pastor Prince Elisha. Now, main mechanic. Dear a man who's also for the first no. Yeah, because Vicky Zuka ne prophecy just a walk or soften sorry I said the prophecy in a beam. Aside that no say Kobirana and so prophecy be by aside Kobirana dear no if you also a snake and so prophecy by aside that no so no hotel into not aquaco yes say celebrities be a wa not say woman can sorry back. Not to say one map or more prophecy or more can answer back on our more prophecy. Now, recent one are Abano and no not to say didn't say Biaba because recent one was share if Yaswa, and some can be a Mistremo. If Yashua was share if Yashua come, Eka say enclophobi, Wabema and never bar, and Nanka, Sancrofono, now Wamuye if Yashuano, then now for £4. Was this Ancrofi I a plan? Say womo ebe kum efiahwewa no no ma yo ma dwen say womo ne efiahwewa ene asofo kese bi ebe ye meeting na meeting no ebe ba ne say efiahwewa no ye frɛ womo na tese ngofo ya carbon because na Ghana phone nim say ngofo womo ye namfofo na san say wo kan say wo be ma ene wo ba ne nti no wo bia e de ne kosi so say hey and the Miss Bell any a yen and tornado because in him say na say Miss Bell and tornado na say wo mo kon ana sanko for the first wo mo ye efiahwe ne nan fofo into description I was off on my also for the one body but description I was my no e magana for obi ehunu say we die Miss Bell ne na tornado ho asem e na tese also for ne all kan into Ghana for ebi mu gidi say hey and ke and Miss Bell ne na tornado plan so mo beku efia Miss Bell ne na tornado plan so mo beku efia. Yet one is a Miss Bell about bonting, and the proofs about HSS. I saw for now. Well, yes, I didn't know Emma if you ask one or so for no way fake. Because and son I saw for the bay, I'm if you ask one 2 months ago, a year September mu. Or so for the try say one called the Miss Bell now be the same thing. I was so funny and I didn't say uncle bit your Miss Bell 10,000 CDs. Miss Bell Penis and Quebec or yourself for the say Unanka or Pesson confirm Miss Bell or the Miss Bell Bayan say Miss Bell Bejatum say in commission and crep into Miss Bell Lembra now sorry no yes I know him so yes I also for no now sorry no ebet trendy ama in glorify then abba sorry no it was on this for the kind and so for the guy said we bet you Miss Bell 10,000 and a Miss Bell can say hey Miss Bell now was you or no I won't G as of one into Saba no can say hey. But later, send you now so for the day and send me con one Miss Bell catch us off and say, won't you be and actress and send to Miss Bell Bob until the car say, so full we are what no Miss Bell say we better 10,000. I'm a Miss Bell, I bet you fake prophecy. Into Miss Bell Susu said, Sa prophecy ya was off for no what can after if you are sure no and you fake. A tear for Munti send you to Miss Bell Bob until the car sa. Emma African for now Wamuji prophecy need no omudia wo mo can say hey and the fake or so for we because na Miss Bell kasa wo show data wo year we just say na Miss Bell so e witnesses because also for when be see Miss Bell so direct we be see obi so and na nipa kono so be see Miss Bell ne work abi so Emma e be see Miss Bell so it Miss Bell so e show or eyewitnesses nkrofa no mo wo ho a wo so for no e be hu no also for the band the papo. It's not go for the chest and the crap September moves at the end this year. Obi Becca say evidence and an eyewitness. More Becca say some Miss Bell can and the crap. Yet one say if you ask nigga bab on saying, Ebe did Miss Bell ne eye Nana Tornado atem na if you ask nigga dey say edin a wode ama Nana Tornado eye ya obola ever since we call eye Rainbow Radio we call ka say we no dey won pe bola goose bi abiom na ye bisa na Nana Tornado ho asema we call ka say Nana Tornado ye bola goose no Nana Tornado ba bontin be din atem ti since then if you ask nigga dey wa friend Nana Tornado na wa man edin say ya obola if you ask nigga ba bontin be ka say hey wo ya obola any ekia dey Mizbel so wa man edin ekia bibi senya ende Mizbel na mami ngege ama ne din ya ba ya no sa no so amu obi edin it was ho Nana Tornado ene Mizbel se na nko wo probi ku onu efiaso a mu nkwasiafo we sebe ene ne sema wo kan na trese efiaso asnega is confirming say indeed Nana Tornado ne Mizbel because in sebe efiaso asnega ba bontin abeka no se mo na ke penkrofo ekum a ye penkrofo ekum ya na mo mu nkwasiafo we iti Mizbel say wono wo hu say efiaso asnega we na ekoso asem ne kwa no ka say dabi say we reach out to osofo no e no to osofo no say na wo nim say me ne Mizbel unim say me ne efiaso a e wo ntokwa o plan say when me ebe yes are planting fake prophecy ade we just 2 months ago man penny iti at least udi ko bi foforo so a na nkafa ko bi foforo wo de ko obi asebe me no eko na tell say that be wo so for no so person wo ne me just because wo ka say member ye fake prophecy ne ma manye ninti na Mizbel kan say wo no de osofo no send ne 3000 cedis on fanton tare ne nyama but later wan go it wo nim say eye ho yaw say wo je osofo ne 3000 and later once an ko no eno na tell say eye osofo ne yaw say den oni de wo nim na asem we see ono Mizbel wo adamfo bi a wo no so yesofo oni adamfo ne kasa e madamfo ne kasa hey on jis kan ba mo nko ena wo reach out to osofo ne train say embra wo hu say wo osofo ne efiaso ade na akoso no hu say da bi we die osofo na plan wo no Mizbel so pen it tell say the same thing e fake because you see obi a ye nim no anopa ne de ye nso kania enhwe ne nim anajo ati ase because osofo na say and because it is a less osofo na try say wo be wo no Mizbel so nti wonim say se bibi sa ababonti ana tell say osofo na ye planting etie fo mu nti asem ni nti nsensem ne koso sana na tell say wo se ehwa na osofo ne ka tell say na say me mambo udin o e no say he won bo mi din ba se ne na wo ka asem wo bi anim say eye Nana Tornado enemy because no Mizbel no wo say wo ba panyi a we di 18 years a wo ko school ne mba nkola nso eko school na ne ba no free school ba efie no asema ne ba ne bisa ne say ma me ko school no ye kan say ye se wo ene eye uncle Nana mo plan say mu kokum obi munti asem ni yo Mizbel say ne ba ne ba efie no eno ne asema ne ba ne be ka tell because nkola we nso wo mu nim de ekoso wo mu tie de ekoso e wo social media ne so iti ne ba ne ba efie be bisa no asem no hu say da bi asem we ya asem ya na nkono nkasa bo hu say asem we ya asem bi a akọ etri because bloggers be breaka alpha story na wo mo born Nana even though pastor Nambo will be edin no wo mo born Nana Tornado ene wo no Mizbel ni din nti orechi out to sofo no na trese sofo no ga say wo dem ambo de na okara sofo no da bi se ni ade ne ko no obi ani se me ne Nana se ni wo describe ya de na ko say endra osu be pa prophecy a wo de ba bontin say ex president bi ewe ni so ade hu no 2020 na ex president na plan say wo bekun wonu wo usu bempa wo bekun ene so usu bempa wo bekun chema wuntumi ene Kennedy Japan we na wo bi eni mo bi a usu bempa wo ka ne ho asem ati ase it the prophecy bi wo wa wo kan obehu usu bempa ma prophecy on say the chief imam no wan bo chief imam bi o ba say me wo describe ade no nkrofo wo bi ehu say chief imam usu bempa didn't even deny it iti Mizbel share no say ni say eni kwan say wo bodin say na wama description obi ebehu say me ene Nana Tornado o say ho ane say wo sofo na block no say hey ehye no ka say say sofo we a block me dia ene me ba abonten na mabekasa nti eno ene asema ekoso ena efiasro asese de efiasro e kan say na wo Mizbel wo ye ma 10,000 cedis wo bekasa wo nje wo Mizbel wo abrewa bi say sofo ka say wo ma 10,000 cedis a wo betumi aka say wo nje eno ni asema efia hwa woka nti Miss Bell ne Nana Tornado omo form nko asem mfi onko na onu efia no enye sa asofo we pe na esofo a waka bibi sa atre no nsofo bebre atre na sa ade no se Nana Tornado ene Miss Bell wo mo pese wo mo kun onu efia no ose nsofo bebre yaka atre no nti sa ade na dede na Nana Tornado ni we yen no mo fa omo nko asem nko da bebi na onu wo pe wo bi eku na ni patitu bi na ese wo kun onu efia no enye sebe kwa hwekafo we etiefo enye easy o enye easy nsema e koso no am pese mo hwe mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu me da ase